In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a flight, 2 miles and more. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to add your flight, 2 miles and more anywhere where the program is accepted. So all that you have to do, of course, is to note down your miles and more frequent flyer number and make sure that you book your next flight through any of their partners. You can find a list of their partners by going over to their website, selecting the option to earn miles, and then going over to partners, like I just said. In here, you can browse through all of the partners in which you will be able to include your miles and more frequently flyer number to receive the flight benefits on your miles and more account. Alternatively, you can also browse through specific offers that are made for other bookings. But all you have to do if you wish to add a flight, like I said, is to browse through any of the partners and book your next flight. Once you reach checkout on any of these partners, you will get the option to include your frequently flyer number from Miles and More's. So reach checkout, and although the process might be slightly different visually depending on the airline that you chose, the process is the same. You simply have to reach checkout, and under the contact information or the personal information, the option to select your frequently flyer program should be available. And of course, as you might expect, one of the options is going to be miles and more. After you choose this option, include the frequently flyer number and you will be good to go. Unfortunately, I cannot display this full process to you on screen because not only do I not have a Miles and More account properly set up, it contains personal information, so this is a process that you must do on your own. But as long as you can find the option to select a frequently flyer program and include your frequently flyer number, you will be good to go to manage and add your flight to Miles and More. I hope I was able to help you on how to add flight to Miles and More. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.